Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. We all know that enhancing lashes can change your eye makeup game and take it to a whole new level. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add volume and length to your natural lashes using 5 amazing hacks. And of course, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. I'm doing giveaways throughout the month. The rules are in the description box below. And for now, let's get started on the lash hacks. Now, these are my natural lashes. This is how they look when I don't have mascara or anything on. For the first hack, I'm going to apply mascara but in the opposite direction of my hair growth. But before we apply anything to our lashes, let's go ahead and curl our lashes. I'm just using a basic regular stainless steel curler. Works great for me. There's so many different types of curlers now, but this is something that I've used forever and I've never had a problem with it. I'm going to open the mouth of the curler and take it all the way to the back where the lash meets the skin. And I'm going to place it on the lash and curl it. Make sure you're not placing it on the skin. You don't want to pinch your skin. That's going to hurt. So it's on the lash and I'm curling it. As you can see, it lifts the lash and gives it a curl. So that keeps it ready for the mascara that's coming up next. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my favorite mascara, the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. When I buy mascaras, I always look at two things. One, it shouldn't be clumpy. And second, it should have a long, lean applicator. When you have a lean applicator, it's easier to navigate it through smaller areas. So most likely you will not be smudging it. And second, when you have a longer applicator, it lengthens your lashes. If you observe your lashes, they naturally curl outwards. Now, if you apply mascara in the same direction, it may look flat. Instead, if you can make the lash stand up, then that's going to make it look longer. And the way we'll do that is by applying mascara in the opposite direction of our hair growth. I'm going to start at the very bottom. I'm going to start wiggling and slowly pushing the lashes towards the inner part of the eye. And as you can see, that pushed the lashes to stand up straight. Now that added so much more length to the lashes. Hack number 2 is to fill in. I'm going to start by tight lining my top lash line using a black eye pencil. I'm using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. I've already applied the mascara. When you tightline, it makes your lashes appear fuller. It almost looks like the lash band of a false lash. And finishing up with mascara to the lower lashes gives a more wholesome, fuller look throughout. The next hack is the double curl method. I'm going to start by curling my lashes. And then I'm going to apply the mascara. I'm going to start with applying it on the top part of my lashes and then to the bottom part. Make sure you wiggle the applicator to separate out the lashes and pull the lash upward so it lengthens it. And while the mascara is still tacky, I'm going to curl my lashes again. And when you're done curling, make sure to very gently release the curler because you don't want to pull your natural lashes off. And you can wipe off any smudges using a Q-tip. When you curl your lashes for the second time after applying mascara, it retains the shape of the curl because the mascara almost acts like a hairspray. The fourth method is to use a lash primer. The one that I'm using is from Milani, but there's so many different options out there and I've listed them in the description box below. I'm going to apply this just like I apply mascara. Lash primers have a creamy consistency, so they make your lashes thicker by depositing product onto your lashes. So you'll be applying mascara over a thicker set of lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the mascara now. Lash primers also make your lashes tacky, so it's easier for the mascara to adhere to your lashes, which means it's going to last longer. As you can see, the lashes look so much more thicker. If you don't have a primer and can't get it, you may like my hack number 5, which is using a powder. I've already curled my lashes and now I'm applying my first coat of mascara. And while the mascara is still tacky, I'm going to coat it with some powder. The one that I'm using is Maybelline Master Fix. I'm taking a small amount on a flat shader brush and I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes. Just like the primer, this is going to deposit more product onto your lashes and make it thicker. Over this, I'm going to apply another coat of mascara. For today's giveaway question, I want to know if you have a favorite makeup product and why. Let me know in the comment section below and good luck. Here's a comparison of the before and after, and as you can see, it's added so much more length, and this by far is my favorite hack. Let me know which among the 5 hacks was your favorite. Here's all of them side by side. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box below, and also listed there are my socials. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook for all the inside scoop. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.